Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your clock for daylight savings time, or just to set your clock in a 2011 to 2017 Touareg. To do that, you're going to click on your setup button here, go into system, and then from here you're going to click on time and date. In this case, you could set it either off of GPS time or manual. First I'll show you manual. In this case, you could click on the time, see that it says 8:01 p.m. Change your hours here, change your minutes here, and change your AM or PM right there. So you could do that to adjust for daylight savings time, or you could change this to GPS, in which case this is going to choose the time based on your time zone. In our case here, we're going to click on time zone, go over to the time zone that we're in, which is Eastern Standard Time. So that right there, and then we're going to click OK. Now the clock automatically sets to the correct time, and we have automatic change to daylight savings time clicked. So in theory, we wouldn't have to go back and change this, and it will automatically change. When you're in the GPS mode, it also does the date for you, so you don't have to do anything with that, but you could change your date format or your time format. I prefer 12 hours and that format right there, so that's what I'm going to leave it at.